season here on your side. There's a good chance you're not using sunscreen how you're supposed to. Coming up, the do's and don'ts of SPF.
Well, you probably use sunscreen every day, but is it enough to protect your skin? Coming up, we're going to break down the correct sunscreen number you need to be using to stay safe out there. Well, there's a good chance you're not using your sunscreen correctly, and it could cause some serious skin damage. On your side, Susan Campbell is here with some tips as we head into a sunny, hot weekend. Brutally hot.
Yeah, brutally hot. And this is some good information just to keep in mind. So many of us either aren't using sunscreen correctly or we're just skipping it altogether. Your skin may already be more damaged than you realize. In fact, about 1 in 5 of us will end up with skin cancer at some point.
So go ahead and put your face in there, Michelle.
If you've ever wanted to see what your skin really looks like,
Just keep your eyes closed. You're going to see 3 flashes.
these cameras will show you.
The 3 flashes are the normal view, the polarized view, and the UV views.
Diana Rieger uses this 3D imaging tool at Love Skin Holistic Med Spa in Tempe to evaluate pores, wrinkles, oil, and bacteria, and the damaging effects of the sun.
It can help be preventative for skin cancer. This is what she looks like with the UV.
Diana says people are often surprised at the results.
A lot of people think that SPF 15 in their makeup is going to do the job, and it is absolutely kind of a joke, especially here in Arizona. So just driving down the street every day to and from work, you can get a lot of sun damage.
There's another common mistake people make with sunscreen.
The biggest one that I actually see is people getting that spray-on sun stuff, and they're spraying and there's a huge cloud everywhere but them. And then I'll see them a couple hours later and they'll be lobster red on one side and sort of okay on the other side.
This season, Consumer Reports tested several sunscreens. The products were applied to the back. Test subjects soaked in a tub for 40 or 80 minutes, depending on the sunscreen's water resistance claim. And then the area was exposed to simulated sunlight.
We test sunscreens to see how well they protect against 2 types of UV rays. UVA, which causes aging and skin cancer, and UVB, which causes sunburn.
One of the top performers was the Equate Ultra Lotion SPF 50. According to the American Academy of Dermatology, any sunscreen you choose should say broad spectrum, which means it protects from UVA and UVB rays. It should be SPF 30 or higher, and it should be water resistant.
And dermatologists say about 1 ounce of sunscreen is the right amount to cover exposed parts of our body. That would fill a shot glass. That's about the amount you need. You should also find shade, wear sun protective clothing, and hats and sunglasses whenever you can. Ian, right now, you are outside. I'm going to put you on the spot. Do you have your sunscreen on this morning?
No.
Come on.
But I drove to the garden in a covered golf cart, and we have a covered shade, so I have the proper protection. But I always wear it otherwise.
Sounds good.
Yeah.